Folks, I'm going to do a little impromptu video on what people who watch YouTube should be looking for. I realized, given the number of folks that don't watch YouTube on a regular basis, how much they don't know what helps and what doesn't help. So I am on my YouTube station right now, and I'm just going to kind of guide you through. Let's go to my own videos because, I'm rather what's the word I want? Go to YouTube Studio. This is where content creators do their things. So I'm going to go over here to videos. And sorry, you're going to get that blur because we're looking at a screen. But just let's take this one for example. And there we go. I'll stop it so that we don't have to listen to me talk twice. So I have got, I'll move you over. This is the basic screen that you see. You see the video, and you see all these folks over to the side. Those are suggested videos that YouTube thinks you might like based on what you've seen or people that you're subscribed to. So the top one with the eggs, that's one of mine. These are some of the people I'm subscribed to. Sometimes there's just some random stuff in there. But a lot of times it's helpful if you get into a kick, you really like this particular topic, it might give you some there. That is a really great thing when people click on your video that comes up like that, because all of this is showing YouTube what you like and what you don't like, and what they should show you based on that. And what I want to do is have lots of people engaged on my station. So that's what it's all about. You see this little autoplay up here in the corner? That's not a good thing to turn on. We get, I don't want to say extra credit, that's not exactly it, but we do get recognition if people aren't just playing on the autoplay. And again, it's based on, are you actively involved or you just have it on autoplay, and go from there. Oh God, sorry, the little dog is going to be yiping because he hears me and he's not with me, which was on purpose. But we're just going to deal with that. So if you're trying to help out the person that has a station, or you want them to get rewarded for having more views, make sure the autoplay is off. That works sometimes, like if you're in a work setting and they've got a series of videos that you're supposed to watch. Usually they'll be in some sort of order. And again, you've got these videos here that are related to the station. So let's move on from there. Scroll down a little bit. See this little thumbs up and thumbs down? When we say like a video, that's what we mean is clicking the thumbs up or the thumbs down. YouTube actually looks at both the same. Again, engagement. Are you reacting to this video at all? So, of course, I like to see thumbs up. I don't mind seeing thumbs down if it's followed up with a comment that tells me what you don't like. And, in general comments like it's terrible, trying to keep a clean language here, that doesn't really help. But if you can say, I really don't like that it's like this or it's like that, then it gives the content producer a chance to change what they're doing or not. At least know that, some people don't like this. Dog, stop. Over here, share. When you click that, it'll then take you to a screen that says, do you want to share it on a different platform like Facebook or I don't remember all the ones that it brings up. Or you can even do like a random. You can do it to just a number of different places. So if you want to share it, again, it's a good thing, showing YouTube, hey, we like this video. Saving it, this saves it to your favorites, so to speak. It's like a little favorites pile of things that you like, you want to find it again. And then I don't remember what's in this ... Report it if you feel that it's inappropriate content, person is just being very inappropriate. That's one thing you can do. Transcripts, translations, I don't know a lot about that, but yeah, if your preferred language is not English, then I believe you can do translations there. I think that's what it means, but I've never used that. This is my playlists, which you can create. Of course, I'm in the Creator Studio, so it says analytics and edit. You're not going to see that on yours. What you will see over here is subscribe. Click that button to subscribe. The more subscribers, the better off any content producer is. Next to it will be a little bell. And if I had done this on my own instead of being in the studio, it would have been a little bit more easy. But just look for the little bell that's next to the subscribe. Click on that, and that will notify you when this person puts out new videos. Now, on that little bell, there's some choices in there that I think there's a little drop down. One of them is like Personalize, so maybe just, I'm not sure how exactly that works, but it just says these are the things that I'm personally interested in. Maybe you're personally interested in my bead weaving and not in my chickens, that sort of thing. The middle one basically says all, and that's the one I really like because it will tell you every time I upload a video. You can make the decision whether or not you go to it or not. And that's up to you. I don't expect people. I do have some folks that support me a lot, and every time I put out a new video, they watch it and they comment and they like on it, and that's great. I don't expect that from everybody. Here we have the comments, and it's amazing to me how many people don't know that there's comments or a description of the video. That's the better way to say it, because that's what they call it, is a description. I can click here and it'll give you, in bead weaving, there's lots of statistics. I know not everybody is interested in how many beads, but I am. So I give people this, how many rows, a lot of times on my concert videos, I'll give some details about the songs or details about the performer that maybe not everybody knows, or things that I'm struck with as watching that show or that performance. So take a look at the description sometimes and see. And then below that are comments. And sorry for the folks who are showing. I didn't think about this. I could have screen printed this out and whited out what I didn't want them to see, but I think these folks are fine. So you can add a comment here. You can, I don't know if this is on yours or not, but I can sort them. You can type your comment, put it in there, hit enter, and it will pop up. On my side, I see who's left a new comment, and then I can reply or like to it, or if it's inappropriate, I can delete it. I try not to unless somebody is using a really crude language or hate language or anything like that. Tells me how many days ago it was, and it does on your side too. You see days or 11 months ago or 7 years ago. They're kind of broad. It's like anything over that's 12 months to 23 months and 29 days is considered 1 year. So it's I wish they could make it, maybe just go by the number of months or something after 1 month. But I suppose they don't want to have 1,642 months, which is probably that's like over 100 years. But that's what it is. But these are nice, and you see, I replied to these people. So on your side, you can react to this comment. You can give it a thumbs up, thumbs down. The little heart is something I did. I gave her a like for putting this on here. And then my reply is in there. And again, more thumbs up, more hearts, more comments. Again, think of if you wanted to show a person live that you were interested in what they were saying, you would be nodding your head or crossing your arms or asking questions. Those tell the speaker that you're interested. This also tells people that you're interested. So I hope this is helpful. I don't think there's anything else on the screen. But try some of those. And again, if you haven't subscribed to my station, I'd really love it. But lots of thumbs up, lots of comments, all are helpful. Things that I'm going to touch on things that are not helpful, because I know some people that try to sort of jimmy the system a little bit, for lack of a better word, on a particular person's channel by getting a campaign going of people watching the video. YouTube's pretty sophisticated. They know when they see that the same person, account, or just the same entity has viewed the same video 25 times in the last hour, and it's a 5-minute video. These are people that click on, watch a few seconds, maybe they get their cell phone out, maybe they get their other computer out, and they're watching numerous times, and then when it's over, they click again. YouTube does not count all those. And in some cases, it could even hurt the content person by them saying it's you, content producer, that is getting people to do this. So I don't know. They shroud a lot of stuff in mystery on YouTube, but I don't know how long your watches have to be in between in order to help. I've heard like a certain number of hours or so, but I just don't know. And I think YouTube would prefer that people don't know how to game the system, so they don't keep that stuff public. So when you did that and you spent hours upon hours watching that same video over and over again just to help the content producer, that person might have got credit for 1 view, or maybe 0 views, or gotten a strike against them. So it doesn't really help. It does help to hit share and share it on all your social media areas. It does help to watch it a couple times a day, spread out. So maybe once in the morning, once at night, that sort of thing. It does help to save it into your account so that you can find it readily again. All of those are good things, but just, it's like I don't want to tell people what to do, but I want to let you know what does and doesn't work on YouTube. I think that's it. If you folks get any questions on this, I can put it in the comments, and I can try to answer them as best I can. Some of the answers might be I don't know, and again, that's because there are things that YouTube keeps from you just to keep people from cheating, basically. So I hope it's helpful. And keep watching. Click that bell so you know when I put out another video. I'd really appreciate that. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.